Now I want to customize my Shopify theme. If you have a Shopify store, you can add your theme. I uploaded a booster theme on my Shopify site and then I wanna customize it. Just click here, customize, and you can see my themes backend. This is my product. This is header. Here you can upload desktop logo, mobile logo. I have already logo. I wanna upload my logo. Just click here, select image. You can add image from your store's image. I wanna add image from my desktop. You can see here is my logo. Okay, open, uploading, yes, done. And you can see here my logo size, reduce and decrease size. It is 35. Okay, and you can also upload mobile logo, same logo. You can add here your phone number, support mail, cart button icon. You can see that I upload here. You can see that here is my button, shopping bag. Okay, here you can see header, mega menu. I uploaded my logo, and here you can add slideshow. You can change slides every 5 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds. Image slide, template. You can add mega menu. You can also delete it. Mega menu. Okay, and here you can see added phone number and email also. You can add here image text. Here is the image. You can upload an image and image text. I no need it. That's why I wanna delete it, remove. And what you want, you can do this. Okay, you can add collection list, collection, and you can add here testimonials. You can add newsletter. You can add a gallery image. Everything you can do here, and you can uh, add footer section. What will be main menu, newsletter, everything you can do here. Okay, save it. I will customize all of things. If you have any question, then you can ask me in the comment section. I will help you. Thank you for watching my video.